Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video titles guys, how can we fix brightness problem in Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to fix guys your phone brightness problem guys you have in your Infinix phone device. So how can we fix today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see guys your phone display and brightness setting. So friends, we will tap on guys phone display and brightness guys, we will tap here. And friends, you can see this type of setting. So friends, you can use guys your brightness setting from here. Screen timeout guys, font size guys, dark theme, wallpaper, and guys eye care guys, you can use from here. So friends, you can see your phone adaptive brightness, and friends, your adaptive brightness is on. So friends, you will have to only tap on guys this right side, this green icon guys, tap here. Then guys your brightness problem will fix, means guys your brightness problem has solved in Infinix phone. So guys, you can use guys your phone brightness without any problem guys. You can customize from here, increase and decrease, and you can use it. So like that guys, we can fix Infinix on iPhone brightness. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.